For this project, I'm going to be using Woodoc furniture wax to maintain the appearance of this natural oak dining table. This deep penetrating liquid wax not only cleans and beautifies all types of wood, but also penetrates varnish, oils, sealers and polish to feed and protect the wood. So first you need to shake the product well, and then with a brush or cloth you can begin to apply a thin layer to the surface. Never squirt the wax directly onto the surface, but rather dampen a cloth with wax and then wipe it over the surface. If you use any fabric cloth, it might leave behind little hairs or pieces of fabric, but I found that a linen cloth or old t-shirt work very well and they don't leave behind any particles. This wax is a maintenance product for indoor use only, and a small amount needs to be reapplied whenever the wood looks dry in order to fully protect the surface. On new wood, it'll give a completely natural look with an elegant sheen, bringing out the natural color and grain of the wood. Woodoc furniture wax is a very economical product, and you need much less than other products to keep the surface in top-notch condition. I trust this video has been very informative, and if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call the Woodoc toll-free helpline. Good luck with your project.